Once upon a time, in a quiet town, lived a boy named Arjun. Arjun was passionate about learning English, but he was always confused about tenses. Should I say I eat or I'm eating? Is it I have gone or I had gone? One day, as he flipped through a dusty grammar book in the old library, he found a curious note that said, "To master time, you must first understand how to speak through it." Suddenly, the clock on the wall started ticking backwards, and Arjun found himself in a magical world of tenses. The present kingdom. Arjun opened his eyes and saw a bright land called the present kingdom. There stood the present king, who spoke calmly. Here, we use tenses to talk about now. He gave Arjun 3 scrolls. Simple present tense. Use me for habits and facts like I speak English. She drinks coffee every morning. Present continuous. Use me for actions happening right now. Like I am learning English. They are watching a movie. Present perfect. I connect the past to the present. Like I have finished my homework. She has already left. Arjun nodded, feeling wiser, but his journey wasn't over. The past kingdom. Suddenly, a gust of wind blew him into the past kingdom, where everything looked old and faded. The past queen welcomed him and said, "To speak about yesterday, use my forms." She offered Arjun another set of scrolls. Past, simple past, for actions that are done and gone, like I watched a film. He visited Delhi. Past continuous. Use me for things that were happening, such as I was cooking when you called. They were playing at 5 p.m. Past perfect. I saw what happened before something else, such as I had eaten before they arrived. Arjun smiled. He began to understand that every tense was a way of telling time. The future kingdom now. A flash of light transported Arjun to a land of floating clocks and shining stars. The future kingdom. The future wizard waved his wand and declared, "Speaking about tomorrow is easy. Just look ahead." He handed Arjun these scrolls. Simple future. For anything that'll happen, such as I will study tomorrow. Future continuous. For things happening at a future time, such as I will be working at 9 a.m. Future perfect for actions that will be completed, such as I will have finished by 6 p.m. Arjun realized the future was clear as long as he used the right form of time. And the final chapter, the map of all time. As Arjun stood between the three kingdoms, as old wise men gave him a map called the Speaker's Compass. He said, before you speak, ask yourself, is it about now, before, or later? Is it a habit, an ongoing action, or a completed one? The map showed a golden rule. Think in time, then speak in tense. And back to reality now. Arjun suddenly woke up back in the library. The clock was normal again, but something had changed. He could now speak confidently using the right tenses. He walked out smiling and said, I have learned something valuable. I am going to practice every day. One day I will become fluent. So, moral of the story, every tense you speak is a journey through time. Master the tenses and you master the message. So that's it for now. If you want to practice English with me, kindly go to the description box and contact me. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with whom who really want to improve their English. Thank you so much.